Here's how to add new users to your Google Analytics account. First, in the top left corner, if you have access to multiple Google Analytics accounts, make sure you've got the one pulled up that you'd like to edit. Next, go down to the bottom left-hand corner and tap the Admin button. Google Analytics likes to change around their navigation menu, so if you don't see it down here, just look for the little gearbox or the Admin button somewhere on the menu on your screen. Once you pull up the Admin button, you'll find a really confusing menu of different layers where you can add or change users. Most of the time, you're probably looking to add a user at the account level, which is the highest level that should hold all of your properties or websites. Under that, select User Management. Under User Management, you can now see the people who have access to the account. To add a new one, tap the blue plus sign on the top right. Again, since Google Analytics really likes to change these things around, just look for an Add New User button if the blue plus button doesn't appear. Select Add New Users, then type in the user's email address. One thing that Google Analytics requires is that whatever email address you type in already has a Google account set up. If they don't have a Google account, they will not let you use that email address. So when you're asking someone for an email address to use to give them access to your Google Analytics, make sure to tell them to be sure it's one that already has an active Google account. Once you've entered the email address, then you can select what type of permissions you'd like them to have. First, there's Edit Permission. That allows them to edit the configuration and settings within your account. If you check the Edit button, that also allows them to collaborate and read and analyze, which are pretty basic functionalities. The final one that you do want to be careful on who you give access to is the ability to manage users. That allows other people, or that allows the person who you're giving access to do exactly what we're doing in this screencast, to add more people, or it also allows them to delete other people. So be careful who you decide to check this box for. Once you're done, go back to the top right corner and hit the blue Add button. And then you're done.